Hey guys, in this video we are going to find out how useful this really fancy looking 2-in-1 olive oil spray really is. If it's really as versatile as described, so we can use it really as 2-in-1 just to pour it over a salad, use it for cooking, grilling, whatsoever. So let's dive in right into this video. By the way, here we can see that a little bit closer. You can see this really nice, beautiful, high quality glass, and it's super easy to open. If you have to add more olive oil here, not just narrow opening, very wide, so super easy to fill up here, and also super easy to use, for example, when cooking, because we cannot only use it as a spray here. When pulling down this trigger here, you can really hit a small area. It's absolutely amazing. Or of course you can push hard, then it's more like a spray. Or we can open this lid here and then we have direct access, so we can just pour it into this pan. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I had already a couple of different olive oil spray bottles, but nothing anywhere close to this quality and especially functionality. And so I'm using this one now here for cooking, grilling, or even to just spray into my mouth because I love the olive oil. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. By the way, when I checked last time, the price was even pretty low actually for this quality and for these functions. Could be also a great little gift for mom or so. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this olive oil spray, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.